many times do you have insurance tell you that you need to blend within a panel, and you know that if you do it the right way, the correct way, that you can't? We have created a product called the Blend Stick that helps you take a photograph with one picture, the need to blend and how far out that goes. There's a lot of features to the Blend Stick. It has actually documentation here that tells you how to document the area for the dent. You can see it here where we've marked the dent, filler, and primer edge. It has an arrow on it that says primer edge. So when I'm going to take this photograph, I put the primer edge on the primer edge, and I show the picture needs to go from this panel with one picture into that panel. So you're getting paid disassembly and repair of this panel and that panel when they initially wanted you to just do it in one. The Blend Stick actually shows here that a standard color line, 18 inches, 24 inches is high metallic and pearl, then all the way out to your quad stage. So it goes all the way out for that documentation. That's the Blend Stick. You can buy the Blend Stick by itself in a canister that looks like this, or you can buy it in a kit called the estimating kit. And the estimating kit comes with a Blend Stick, but it comes with 3 additional ruler tools. And you can use those ruler tools that are magnetic to actually give scale to damage. But not only that, you can use it to document taking the emblem off of this car. How many times at the end of the day is a technician running up to the front office saying, I don't remember where this emblem goes? Well, everybody has a phone, look, in their back pocket with a camera. So you use a point of reference and take the various ruler tools, and this is what they look like right here, and you put them onto the car, and it will show you exactly when you get ready to reassemble that car where that emblem goes back. So the estimating kit and the Blend Stick are both designed to help streamline with photographs the need to blend, but also giving scale to damage, but also helping your technicians to reassemble the car quickly. Thank you.